On Stanford's lower row, there lives a group of acorn woodpeckers.
Lucy is the name of the crow? There's a hawk.
She ate our two previous woodpeckers named,
You're shitting. No, you're joking.
no, in front of our faces.
And then another woodpecker does it again and like starts flying straight at me, and I have to like put on the brakes and like slow down, and the flies like within inches of my windshield before like swooping off into the trees. Another cool feature is just their I think I mentioned briefly is their granary trees, where they just like, sometimes it's a telephone pole, sometimes it's a tree or just like a piece of dead wood, and they'll just cache like hundreds and hundreds of acorns in the tree to store for later. And they just have these like central granary trees that they use. And yeah, it's just like a really cool feature that like isn't as prominent in other birds. Like other birds might cache stuff, but mostly just bury the acorns in the ground. But the woodpeckers have these like very, very striking granary trees that they'll use.